Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the southern wing of the Stink Bug Works, that super secret research and development division of Dr. Jet Laboratories, where we sit around all day and we invent things and make stuff. And it takes jet juice sometimes to do that. Today we have a mystery on our hands. So let me go through the process of how we discovered there's a mystery on our hands. I'm looking at the exit here on my cowl. And at one time I was thinking about putting flat black inside here and bringing it out on this little, I don't know if you can see it in the light, but it kind of dips down there. And I was looking at some photographs of boats, and more often than not, where the exhaust stack comes out here, they've got a piece of stainless steel down here acting as a heat shield. So I was thinking of taking a piece of stainless out to about, here. Yeah, I wasn't wearing gloves. Out to about here, putting a little bend in it so it kind of stepped down. Still paint all this in here flat black. And then put that exhaust tube. Now remember, the exhaust stack I had was, it was a piece of metal. Actually, it was from a turkey baster. It was a piece of metal, and I blued it like you would blue a gun. I'd heat it up, and you could see the coloring moving up. It blew to that yellowish, brownish. And so I was moving the color up on it, and it got a really cool looking color. And I went to get that and put it in here. And before I go any further, let's go back to the timetable. Work started on this before the acquisition of the laser. And the acquisition of the laser required reorganizing the garage. Now, this and this and this were all living in the box that I kept all the American Spirit parts in, with the exception of the decals because they needed to lay flat. So somewhere there's a box with all the parts here, and I don't know where it is in all my cleaning up of the shop and organizing stuff. There's a box that has the motor, the servo, the speed control, the strut, the rudder, all the linkage, the bellows, all the water cooling hoses, everything. And I don't know where it is. I know where it isn't. It isn't outside of the Stink Bug Works. So I'm going to have to spend the day going through stuff thinking, is it in this box? Is it in this box? Is it in this box? First world problems. Anyway, boys and girls, I just thought I'd share that with you. I thought it was somewhat amusing. Yes, we all have our failings. Okay, boys and girls, until next time, jet out.